Tantalizing chicks, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's a fantastic hottie and a 1925 Ford Model T hot rod. There's a fantastic centerfold coming up. Here's a cute gal and a 1935 Buick 4-door sedan. There's a bikini chick and a 1945 Ford Anglia. Here's a teaser box and a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support.